Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we're going to talk about the brand new Tempur-Pedic Adapt Mattress. Just came out a few months ago. It is, if you listened to the video last week, this is the lower version of the Pro Adapt. What you lose here from the Pro Adapt to the Adapt is the new APR technology. It has the original support system, and it has ES material, which is what we find in all of Tempur-Pedic's soft or cloud models and some of the flex models. $19.99 a queen for this bad boy, $26.99 for a king, and it's the same price for both the Adapt Medium and the Adapt Medium Hybrid. The Adapt Medium Hybrid technology is no longer just a memory foam bed is no longer just a full chunk of foam. They now have what's called hybrid beds, and they come with little micro coils in them. The Adapt Hybrid has 1,000 coils in it. So if you ask me, the more bang for your buck is going to be that hybrid. You're getting a lot more material, and you're getting a much more advanced support system. It's going to have micro coils that kind of adapt to the contours of your body and support you a little bit better than I think traditional memory foam. That's just my opinion. I'm the Mattress King. Who knows? Maybe you like the Adapt Medium better, but I like the Hybrid. Alright, that's it for Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next week, and we'll talk about the new Sealy Hybrid beds. See you guys.